Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using Deep UK products. But before we start, I just want to quickly mention that I do have a discount code on Deep UK website. So if you use Grace20, you will get 20% discount on your total purchases. I will be putting all the information down in the description box so you can check it out. So now into the video, here are the powders that I will be using today. And here are the close-up looks. So the first one is in the shade Darling. And this is a light pastel pink shade. Next is in the shade Funfetti, and this is a mix of floral bits in a clear base. Lastly, the shade Perriwinkle, and this is a light blue shade. And for the liquids, I will be using my Deep UK base as well as the activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying a thin layer of this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure, but obviously you don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. Next, I move on to my deep powder application. So I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So first, I will be applying one layer of clear on all of my nails. So once I'm finished with one layer of clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my colored powders. So I will be applying the shade Darling on my pointy and pinky nail. And I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. And this shade is super cute and it's very easy to apply. So once I'm finished with the shade Darling, I move on to my next shade, which is the Perriwinkle, and I will be applying this on my ring and thumb, and again I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. So once I'm finished with Perriwinkle, I move on to my last powder, which is the Funfetti, and I will be applying this on my middle nail. And with this powder, I will be applying it differently. So instead of dipping my nail, I lay my nail on top of the powder, just because I find that this method works a lot better with this kind of powder. And I also use toothpick to clean up around my cuticle area, and after that I use plastic sheet and gently press my nails to flatten out all the chunky bits. So then I brush up all the excess powder and then repeat the same step with my second coat. So once I'm finished with all the colored powders, I went back with my clear to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this, especially when you are using chunky bits on your nails. This will protect your nail design from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished encapsulating my nails, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. You can also wash your hands if you want to. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat, and I will be applying 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. Once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil, and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.